Hey you guys, so today we're going to go to Marshalls and TJMAXX to see if we can find the MAC and PatrickStarrr Floral Realness Full Face Kit. I saw someone on Instagram find this, so I was like, oh, the packaging is so beautiful. You guys know flowers are my aesthetic and I love makeup, and MAC is a pretty decent brand. So without any further ado, let's go to TJMAXX and Marshalls. Alright you guys, about to walk in. Let's go to the beauty section. Let's see if we can find the Patrick and MAC Realness Floral Full Face Kit. There we go. We have some Vice Urban Decay Special Effects Water Resistance Lip Top Coat. And it looks like they have the shades Fever and White Rye. And they're all going for $7.99. Ooh, here's something from Bobbi Brown. It's a highlighting powder in the shade Bronze Glow. This is cool. And this is going for $14.99. We found this plenty of times, but they still have the matte lipstick set from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And as a reminder, it's going for $14.99. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. You guys know. I mean, I am looking for the Patrick and MAC collaboration, but y'all know I love Too Faced. So whenever I find a product from Too Faced, I get like super excited. You guys look, it's the Too Faced Candlelight Glow Highlighting Power Duo. Y'all, this packaging is beautiful. Look at that ombre. And there's a lot of them too, and they're all in the shade Rosy Glow. But then there's, ooh, this is a big one. Like, let me show. Look at that. This is like the daughter, and this is the mother. And this one's in the shade, oh, I think they might have covered it. But the bigger one's going for $10.99, and this one's going for, the smaller one's going for, wait, okay. Alright. Do you guys see this? They're both listed for $10.99. The smaller one should at least be $7.99. So yeah, just keep that in mind if you guys end up buying that. Make sure it's not listed as $10.99. Okay, what else? Ooh, we have the Becca Ever Matte Shine Proof Foundation. And this one's going for $12.99. Looks like they have a couple to choose from. Let's now look over here and see if we can find the palette. MAC and PatrickStarrr coming for you. Alright, let's look in this section, see if we can find any new high-end makeup deals or the MAC and PatrickStarrr collab. We have a bunch of the Smashbox Studio Skin Shaping Foundation, and they're all going for $14.99. We also have, oh, I think we found this plenty of times, the Too Faced Unicorn Tears Highlighting Stick. This is in the shade Unicorn Tears, and it's going for $9.99. What else? What else? Oh, we found this plenty of times, the Stila Eyeshadow Duo, and these are going for $5.99. So cute, you guys. I think there's multiple shades too. Labradorite. Oh, okay, never mind. They're all in the same shade, Labradorite. What else? What else? Oh my god. Oh, okay. We found this already. But it's the Too Faced Rainbow Strobe Rainbow Effect Highlighter. And this is going for $12.99. If it was the bronzer from this Too Faced collection, oh, I would have freaked out. Okay, let's see. Anything else new? Alright, so here's a bunch of palettes. Let's see if the PatrickStarrr palette's like hiding. I'm sure it's like pretty big in a square shape too. No. Let's see. Is it hiding behind here? No. Profusion. Alright, let's go to the other section. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at all these goodies from Lipstick Queen. So this is the Lipstick Queen Tangled Up in Nude Full-Size Lip Trio in the cutest packaging ever. And this is going for $27.99. And then we also have the Lipstick Queen Kiss from a Rose Full-Size Lip Trio. These are the products that come inside. Looks like a lip liner, a lip gloss, and lipstick. And the This is going for $19.99. That's so cool. Okay, what else? Look, we found this last time. So it looks like they still have the Becca and Chrissy Cravings Lip Icing Glow Gloss Kits. Oh, and these are going for $12.99. I don't know if you guys remember, but in my last TJ Maxx, I was trying to look for the Glow face kit, but I couldn't find it. Let's see if there's anything down here. PatrickStarrr, where you at? Okay, this is clearly mascara and maybe some eyeliners. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, though. Literally my face when I find any new Too Faced high-end makeup deals. So we found the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner, and we found it in multiple shades too. We found the shades Fairy Queen, which is this purplish shade, and then I'm Half Mermaid, and this is the blue shade, and then Glitter Ghost, and this is the light pink shade. This is so cool, you guys, and they're all going for just $4.99, not badly priced at all. And it looks like they still have the Too Faced Mascara Melt Off Cleansing Oil. Ooh. And this is going for $3.99. You guys, they're playing my jam right now. That's me waving my hands, like trying to dance. Back to business, you guys. Let's look for the palette. PatrickStarrr and MAC collab. Let's look over here. I mean, I feel like if the palette was here, it wouldn't be, in this section. Let's look. Let's keep looking. Where are ya? Look. Here's something from Lipstick Queen again. This is a Saint Natural Duo. Comes with a lipstick and lip liner. $25 value, going for $12.99. That's cool, you guys. And if you're a nude girl, you should get this kit. And then if you are a red girl, you should get this kit. They're like twin sisters. This one's Sinner Natural Duo, and this one's Saint Natural Duo. Ooh, do you guys remember this section? I really lucked out on my last visit. So it looks like they still have the Too Faced Glow Job Glitter Face Mask. And this one, it's going for $19.99. But the MAC and PatrickStarrr palette, where are you at? Let's see, maybe something's on this side that we haven't found. You guys, we haven't looked at this section yet. A bunch of Bareminerals. Wow. If you're looking to try Bareminerals foundation, this is where you need to go. And look, there's more of the Too Faced Candlelight Glow Highlighting Powder Duos. There's so many of them too. Let's see. Let's look in this section to see if we can find the palette. Oh my gosh. Do you guys see this? You guys, this is the Kat Von D Metal Crush Extreme Highlighter Palette. What? Look at this packaging too. So cute. And it is currently on clearance for $15. Wow. I'm shook, y'all. Oh my god, I'm shook. This is beautiful. Alright guys, so now on that good note, let's go downstairs and check out Marshalls. Alright guys, we're here, Marshalls beauty section. Okay. Let's see. Ooh, looks like there's some good stuff over here. What's this? So we have from Bareminerals a Blemish Rescue Skin Clearing Loose Powder Foundation. And this is going for $5.99. You guys, we also have a product from Glam Glow. It's the Glow Setter Makeup Setting Spray. I really like the brand Glam Glow, so And this is going for, what's the price? $9.99. Here's an ABH single shadow. If you want a bronzy look, I guess. And this is going for $3.99. Oh, here's more of the Candlelight Glow. Oh, found the Rosy Glow in a bigger size. You guys, the packaging is just so pretty. And again, these are going for $10.99. Anything else new? Oh, and here's the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Eyeliner we found upstairs at TJMAXX. Now let's try to focus on finding the MAC and PatrickStarrr palette. Anything over here? Oh, you guys, it's Bareminerals. It's their, this is from their holiday collection. This is the Bareminerals Nightcap that includes the mini Bearskin Perfecting Veil plus mini face brush. And this is going for $6.99. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're about to restock. Do you see? It's not the MAC and PatrickStarrr palette, but I'm pretty sure that's the Becca Volcano Goddess palette. In the meantime, let's see if we can find anything else because I don't want to bother her. I know she's like literally right there, you know? What's this? No. You guys, looks like there's nothing down here either. Let's see if we can find anything new in this section. Oh, here's the Becca Volcano Goddess Glow Gloss. This is in a shade Metamorphic Gold. And these again are going for $7.99. Let's see, anything else? You guys, at first glance, this looked like the Huda Beauty Nude palette. If you guys own it, you'll know what I mean, because the outside packaging looks just like that. Anything over here? No, looks like just wash bath stuff. Ooh, MAC palette, where are you at? Oh, here's the MAC and Jeremy Scott palette. I think it's in the shape of a CD. And this is going for $19.99. So no, this isn't the MAC product that I was looking for, but at least it's still a new MAC product. You guys, it's like Pixie Central. Oh my gosh. I love Pixie by Petra. Definitely one of my all-time favorite drugstore makeup brands. Oh, and skincare brands. So I don't want to spend too much time on this section just because I know literally they're restocking, and if I was in their position, I wouldn't want someone to be in my way, you know? But these are all the goodies that I see. And these are the Becca Volcano Goddess palettes I'm talking about. Look! There's so many of them too. And again, they're going for $16.99. Alright, you guys, so we didn't find the ultimate product that we were looking for at TJMAXX and Marshalls, but we still nonetheless found some amazing new high-end makeup deals. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a girl thumbs up if you did. Also, don't forget to press the subscribe button down below. It's all red. Join the family, become a bestie, and turn the notification bell on to get notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, guys, I love you guys so much, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!